Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to chat with Mita AI and make the most of this advanced chatbot. First, open your preferred messaging platform where Mita AI is available, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or a specific app. Make sure you've added the Mita AI contact or join the chatbot service. Next, type your query or message in simple language like you're chatting with a friend. For example, ask questions, seek advice, or just have a casual conversation. Mita E is designed to respond quickly and helpfully to your input. If you want to explore features, type specific commands, or ask for a list of options, Mita A offers, such as weather updates, reminders, or fun facts. That's it. You're ready to chat with Mita AI. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more guides. See you next time.